Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Get ready for even warmer temperatures as we head into the weekend. In fact, this weekend we'll likely get some record-breaking temperatures, but there is some relief coming. By next week, we'll finally catch a break from these 90s. Not today, though. Today, 93 degrees. That'll put us 16 degrees above the average, but below record today. But that's only because the record is 99 degrees, so much higher. Looking like today, we'll make it into those low 90s. But high pressure is in control, and with that ridge of high pressure in place, that's going to allow those temperatures to get even warmer before we finally track a storm system that'll move in from the west by the middle of next week, bringing us a drop in temperatures, more breezes, and even a chance of rain. But through the weekend, hot temperatures, or very warm temperatures, I should say. No triple digits yet. But if you are heading out to maybe the Phoenix International Raceway here this weekend for PIR, I know it's a big weekend there. Know that temperatures are going to be into record territory, so you'll really want to do your best to stay cool, stay hydrated, maybe take some breaks from the sun if you're out and about. 93 for a high today, below record. Tomorrow, though, my forecast 96 degrees. Tomorrow's record high is 94. So it is looking like we're going to set a new record high temperature tomorrow. And then again Sunday, that record is in jeopardy. It sits at 92, but the forecast 94 degrees. So a very warm weekend on tap, and those temperatures will be climbing quickly each day. Tomorrow we'll start the day in the 60s, but we'll be back to 80 by 10 o'clock, upper 80s by noon, then 90s all afternoon into the early evening, with the warmest point of the day coming around 4 o'clock tomorrow. And then for Sunday, temperatures again start in the 60s, but we'll be back into the upper 70s by 10 o'clock, upper 80s by noon, then 90s through the afternoon. Both days very, very warm. So again, just a reminder if you're going to be outside. Now, as you look at the high country, there's still some snow on the peaks, and that may be a place to kind of find some refuge from these 90-degree temperatures. Although for Flagstaff, this is still above normal for this time of year, but temperatures much cooler there than what we'll have here in the valley. Highs in the upper 60s. Those morning temperatures not far from freezing. Temperatures will stay warm through the weekend, and our forecast stays dry, although we'll see some passing high clouds at times, but no rain chances through the weekend. Even early next week starts off dry, but then we're tracking a storm system approaching Tuesday, arriving Wednesday into Thursday. That's going to bring chances for rain to the high country and just a slight chance of a shower to the valley. Chances aren't very high, but it is going to bring a cool down, so we'll finally catch a break from those 90s by the middle of next week.